Hi, this is Kurt from Carns Equipment with a 2025 Polaris Ranger 1000 EPS Premium. The 1000s are a step below the XP 1000s. Single overhead cam, a little bit less horsepower than the Ranger XP 1000s, but still very capable machine for those of you that don't need all the power and stuff. Still three seating for three, so you got room in there for three adults. Of course, you got the nets for safety there. Full front bumper. This is in the beige. May not look like it, but that's what Polaris is calling it. Comes standard with that roof, so you've already got a roof on there. Also comes standard with Polaris's winch, synthetic rope winch. Everything else about the machine, you know, is a great value machine for those of you not looking to get into that. Full-size bed, so same bed that's on the Ranger XP 1000. You've got to throw your gear in there. Still single hand operation to open the tailgate. You still got a 2-inch receiver if you want to hook up and tow something around with. But overall, great machine for those of you looking for something not as expensive or pricey as an XP 1000. But comes standard with a 1-year warranty on there with the option to go even longer. So if you're looking for a new side-by-side like this, come down to Carns Equipment in Clearfield. You can also call us at 814-765-5684, and you can find it on our website at carnsequipment.com.